peeves at the gym. So let's talk a little bit more. Is your body changing? How many workouts have you been doing? How much time have you been spending? How many diets have you gone on? And have you actually made some kind of change in the direction that you wanted to? Are you matching that vision of your body the way it should be? So here's another little thing. The other day we talked about intention. Today we're going to talk about hydration, because here's the thing. You can put two people on a treadmill. Stay with me, bear with me on this one, okay? You have two people on the treadmill, and one person is dehydrated and the other person is hydrated. The hydrated person is actually going to burn body fat. The dehydrated person, guess what? They're going to tear down muscle tissue. Why? Because your body actually needs water to do the work. So if you go on to do cardiovascular activity and you're dehydrated, what does your body do? It starts tearing down your muscle tissue to grab a couple little ounces of water so that it can actually do and perform what it needs to do. Oh my God, really? Seriously. So I need you to be hydrated. And guess what? Hydrated is not, let me drink a glass of water while on the treadmill. No, guys, it's drink water all day long, okay? And guess what? Nobody speaks about this, let alone probably on Facebook, I'm sure. Your urine, are you listening, should be clear. It shouldn't be yellow, and it really shouldn't be bright yellow, red, or anything like that, of course, but it should be clear, which means that you're fully hydrated. So drink up, go. Get a glass of water right now and drink it, okay? I tell everybody, start your morning, put 2 glasses of water right at your vanity. So when you get out of bed, you just drink water. It helps you flush out like all the toxins that have been in your system, like from the night before. And then drink water throughout the day. I take a bottle of water with me everywhere I go. I've always got a bottle of water with me. So make it happen, hydrate yourself. That way you don't work out, lift weights, and then go cardio and destroy the muscle you just did. You want to keep that muscle and burn fat, people. Let's burn fat the right way. Drink your water. Bye.